طبعا قعدت انت وعيلتك كتير جدا في البيت بسبب الكورونا، صح؟ وقضيت اغلب الوقت على الموبايل او التاب او الكمبيوتر، ومفيش شك ان تركيزك قل وذاكرتك ضعفت شويه. ومع عودة الحياة لطبيعتها لازم نستعيد تركيزنا من تاني وقدرتنا على الاستيعاب والتذكر. في الفيديو ده هعرض عليك مجموعة من الطعام والشراب اللي بتلعب دور حيوي جدا في الحفاظ على صحة عقلك، وبتحسن بعض المهارات العقلية زي الذاكرة والتركيز. تابع الفيديو للآخر.
Fatty fish. Fatty fish is a rich source of omega-3, a major building block of the brain. Omega-3 play a role in sharpening memory and improving mood, as well as protecting your brain against decline. 2. Coffee. Coffee can help to boost alertness and mood. It may also offer some protection against Alzheimer's, thanks to its caffeine and antioxidants. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that may delay brain aging and improve memory. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric and its active compounds have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which help the brain in research. Also, it has reduced symptoms of depression and Alzheimer's disease. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli contains a number of compounds that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, including vitamin K. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in many micronutrients that are important for brain function, including copper, iron, magnesium and zinc. 7. Dark chocolate. The flavonoids in chocolate may help protect the brain. Studies have suggested that eating chocolate could boost both memory and mood. 8. Nuts. Nuts contain a host of brain-boosting nutrients, including vitamin E, healthy fats and plant compounds. 9. Oranges. Oranges and other foods that are high in vitamin C can help defend your brain against damage from free radicals. 10. Eggs. Eggs are a rich source of several B vitamins and choline, which are important for proper brain functioning and development, as well as regulating mood. 11. Green tea. Green tea is an excellent beverage to support your brain. Its caffeine content boosts alertness, while its antioxidants protect the brain and L-theanine helps you to relax. So, many foods can help keep your brain healthy. Some foods such as the fruits and vegetables in this list, as well as tea and coffee, have antioxidants that help protect your brain from damage. Others, such as nuts and eggs, contain nutrients that support memory and brain development. Finally, you can help support your brain health and boost your alertness, memory and mood by strategically including these foods in your diet. At the end of this video, I hope you have taken advantage of it. And if you like it, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel to receive all new. And if you have a topic that you want me to talk about, leave me a comment about it. I will present it in the following videos. Cool Times channel. Subscribe now.